Hello, I'm 51 Bitcoins. Today I'm going to talk about how to set up Binance Grid Traders and run the Binance Grid Traders on Binance Exchange. First, we need to download PyCharm and Anacondas, and you can go download by these URLs. And if you install the Anaconda, you need to add the conda to your path. If you encounter the counter and a conda not found, check out this link. Then we download this code. We paste this URL in your browser and click download zips. And we use the PyCharm to open this code. I use PyCharm and open this code already. And the next one is we use the Anaconda to create the virtual environments. We pay the conda create gun. Binance Grid Trader and Python we use 3.7. Here I paste this in the terminal. Here I have already created this one. Existing. Then we activate. The conda activate and activates. And we install. Requirement test. And you can create. Install one by one. Pipes install. Request. We need to conda activate. Activate Binance Grid Trader. Pipe install. Request. And the next one is WebSocket client and doc QDoc style. And we pipe install. Gun requirements. Remember we need to add this under this folder. Then the next one is we set the configure the project interpreter. The PyCharm here, the preferences. And I set this one. If you don't find this one, you can show add local and set the Anaconda existing. Existing. Then you can go here. Your directory. And find this one. We'll go to the Anaconda one. And env. This one. Bin to Python. Python 3. For you can find this. You can find the environment location at here. And after configure the project interpreter, you can directly run the Python main file, or you can run by this one. Click here, then run this one. Then we also need to create the API from API key from the Binance Exchange. We after logging into the Binance Exchange, you can click the API management, and here, and you can create API. Then we need to configure, okay, add this the restriction. You need to enable spot market, future market, okay. And if you in the production environment, you need to, okay, add the API, okay, the trusted IP, okay. For here, I use this in my local computer, laptop computers, and I don't use the restricted, okay. Then I copy here, and here I have my API key and API secret. Then we need to, okay, need to connect spot market or future market. If you want to trade on spot market, you need to connect this one. Okay, I paste this my API key and API secret here, then confirm. Okay, then I add spot grid strategies. Okay, for we trades on the spot market. Okay, add strategy. The name, you can have any name. Okay, BTC11 or BTC. Okay, BTC, BUSD. Okay, we need to use the lowercase for spot market, and okay, 35,000. Okay, and on the 25,000, and we have, okay, hundreds. That means 35 minus 25,000, and it will be 10,000. Okay, 10,000, and we have grid number is 100. Okay, divide 100, and every two orders spread will be 100. Okay, $100, and the volume would be, okay, 0.01 BTC. Again, we use the BUSD for the pair is BTC USD. If you want to trade BTC USDT, then you use USDT here, USDT. And then max open order is 5. Okay, it means that we have 5 buy order and 5 sell orders in the market. If you can also set 1 or 2, it's okay. Here we set 5. Okay, and BTC BUSD. Okay, the BUSD. Okay, then confirm, and we initialize the strategy, then start. Okay, for I don't have any Bitcoin in spot market, so I send the buy order at first. If the buy order was filled, then we post the sell order. Okay, then I stop, then it cancel all the order. Okay, then we try the future. Okay, the future pay this year, and the future types, for if you want to trace the USDT perpetual future, you can use the USDT. If you want to trace on the coin future market, you can use the coin. Okay, we use USDT here, and the proxy hold and the proxy pool, for if you can directly connect it to Binance Exchange, you may need to set the proxy host and the proxy port. Okay, it depends on your process host and proxy port, and I connect confirm. Okay, here we have the log here, the query future. Okay, WebSocket API. Okay, the gateway is future. Okay, and here we need use the future grid strategies, for we trade on the future market right now, and I want to use the trade the ETH future. Okay, ETH future, and the symbol we need to use the uppercase. Okay, BUSD or USDT is all okay. And what about the market right now? Is maybe about 2,000 to 1,000. Okay, maybe 1,900 and to 1,500. Okay, that would be 400. Okay, 400. If we want to trace the grid number, so that every order spread will be $4. Okay, and here we want to trade 0.5. Okay, then okay, if you want to, okay, 0.1. Okay, confirm the start here. Okay, it seems that 0.5. Okay, we have the order fail. Okay, margin is inefficient. Okay, for I don't have the enough balance on the future market, so the the order was failed. If you want to trace on the future market, you need to transfer the market from spot market or from your wallets there, so you won't experience or encounter this error. Okay, so this is the tutorial and for how to set up the Binance Greek traders on Binance Exchange. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.